In the heart of the city, where cameras never rest and questions are often unwelcome, one man stands his ground, calmly, lawfully, and with a camera as his only defense. This isn't confrontation for entertainment. This is about transparency, about reminding those in uniform that accountability doesn't stop when the badge goes on. On what should be public land, an ordinary citizen approaches, asking a simple question: "Are you a police officer?" But instead of answers, he's met with deflection, denial, and an attitude that reveals a deeper problem: authority without respect. Watch closely. Every hesitation, every refusal to identify, every misuse of policy tells a story of power misunderstood and public rights ignored. This is what happens when officers forget who they serve, and when citizens remind them that the camera never lies. This is Gypsy Auditor, exposing the truth one audit at a time.
Sorry?
You've got permission to film.
In public land?
This is not public land. This is a secure building.
Where's the...
I suggest you go into the police
I think you need to
station
calm
and
down. Are you a police officer?
No, I'm not. I work here.
No interested. Are you police staff?
Doesn't matter.
Are you police staff?
You go in,
Nah, you're not identifying. I'm finished.
I'll get a police officer to come out and speak to you.
That's
You
brilliant.
need permission.
Okay. What law is that?
You need permission.
What law is that?
This is not public land.
Okay, what
this
law?
Is a secure building.
Okay.
Alright,
You need to calm down.
I'm not.
If you're a police
I'm not-
officer, you should identify.
Right. I'm not a judge.
Are you an officer?
I don't know who you are.
Are you a police officer?
I will get a police officer.
Are you a police officer? So no interest. This is for police abusing powers. This is definitely a police.
I'm not in uniform, am I?
So you are a police officer. Can you identify yourself, please?
Why should I identify myself to you?
What's your badge
I'll get a
number?
police officer to come and
Because
speak
you've
to you.
engaged with a member of the public. It's part of your policy.
No, it's not.
It's absolutely disgraceful. Police abusing powers. Wembley.
Police officer come out and speak to you.
That's no problem. You had a memo about filming in public. You need to read your memo. Excuse me. Are you doxing addresses? Are you a police officer?
Yeah, but
We're going to have to complain to your inspector about your behaviour. You're an absolute disgrace. You need to be riddled of the force. Doxing people's names. What about if we dox your name?
I'll tell you my name. It's
Oh.
Charlie.
Charlie. Okay. Why are you doxing people's names?
Charlie, how's your mum?
She's good, thank you.
How's the piggy farm? Good? Yeah, let's get the number plate. Doxing addresses. Absolute disgrace. So hopefully one of them will come out and we'll speak to them about this. Can I just speak to you quickly, officer? Can you identify yourself
Yeah,
quickly?
PC Spencer Riverson, Peckham Police Station.
Why are you guys parked on red lines?
I'm not sure, mate. I don't drive.
Well, obviously you can see it's a police car.
I'm not too sure, mate, to be honest.
Well, can you not see with your eyes? Literally right there.
I'm not sure why it's parked there.
Can you get an inspector out so we can speak to him about it then, please?
Yeah, I can't get anything through.
Why?
Because it's busy.
Well, that is a pressing matter.
Can't do that. Sorry about that.
But this is a...
there, Constable.
Mate, if you want to film, mate, you can film outside, but not inside police premises.
It's public area in there.
No, it's not public area, mate.
Why?
You're allowed in here by consent.
By whose
Okay.
consent? You're not even by an inspector's consent, yeah. He can move me on. But
Mate, are you here to see staff?
I'm here to do a bit of filming.
Okay, not in here, mate. Step outside, please.
What, is it an offence?
Mate, you're not allowed to film a police
What
premises.
offence is it, officer?
Okay,
Can you tell me you've turned your camera on, please?
cameras
I'm
on.
going to have a little bit of space
Okay,
because obviously...
I'm telling you to
Yeah.
remove yourself from the police station.
But what?
If you're not here,
You're talking over me, sir.
if you're not here
Yeah.
to be served, then you need to leave.
But why am I not allowed to do what I'm doing?
Okay, not in the police premises, mate.
It's a lawful activity.
Okay,
You work for the
outside.
but you work for the public.
Okay, let me say something.
In your opinion, yes, go on.
Okay. This police station.
Yeah?
Okay. You're allowed in here.
Yeah.
Okay. My consent.
By whose consent?
Okay. Please consent.
But why have you got an open door then?
Now, I've asked you to leave police premises.
Officer, I've done this for years. I know exactly what I'm doing. It's a
Okay.
lawful activity.
I've asked you to leave police premises.
But you're not an inspector. You can't ban me, and an inspector has powers to ban.
As the camera rolls, what begins as a calm encounter starts to shift. Officers approach, not with curiosity, but with control. "Can I ask what you're doing?" The question sounds harmless, but the tone reveals something else: suspicion, not service. The auditor remains polite, firm, and within his rights. Filming in public is not a crime. It never has been. Yet somehow, that simple act threatens the comfort of authority. Watch closely. Listen to the words. When officers demand ID without reasonable grounds, when they quote policy instead of law, that's where accountability begins to crack. This is where the true test starts. One officer steps forward using intimidation instead of explanation. They talk about security, about concern, about orders. But none of that changes the law. The right to record remains untouched. Still, the camera stays steady. Every question is answered with calm logic. Every attempt to provoke is met with silence and reason. The tension grows. What should be a routine audit now feels like a power struggle. One man with a camera versus an entire system afraid of its own reflection. Am I being detained? The question echoes, simple, powerful, legal. And suddenly, silence. The officers hesitate. Their confidence fades because deep down they know the camera has already won. For a moment, everything stops. The public watches. The officers realize they are the ones under audit now. In that pause, something changes. Respect, once demanded, is now earned. Background fades slightly, ambient street sound rises. This is not about hate toward police. It's about accountability, the bridge between authority and freedom. And without it, trust dies in silence. The camera doesn't lie. The footage doesn't forget. The truth, once recorded, becomes undeniable.
Okay.
You don't.
I'm asking
You're
you
just a PC. And you didn't even tell me you turned your camera on, which is part of your policy and code of ethics.
Mate, you need to leave police premises.
Can you let me know?
Mate, you need to leave police premises. Step outside, please.
So you're physically going to touch me?
Yes.
2 seconds. Hands on here. Can you get your hands off me, please?
There you go.
Well,
film as much as you want.
It's an absolute disgrace. I'm going now to make a complaint about you.
Okay, go make a complaint then.
What's your badge number, please?
1714.
PC.
Headley.
And do you think that's all right what you just did, yeah? You think you're a tough man, yeah?
If you want to see staff, that's
Well,
fine.
why are you putting hands on people?
I've asked you to leave.
But you
and
haven't got any
refused.
powers to ask
I've
me to
asked you to leave and you refused.
You should be putting hands on people. That's an absolute disgrace.
Okay.
You're meant to be working for the
You
public.
refused.
You should not be putting hands on people. What if I reacted back and put hands on you?
Listen to me.
No, I don't want to listen to you.
If you're going to see staff, see staff. If you're going to make a complaint, make a complaint.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't even be in the force, mate.
There you go.
You got anger problems.
There you go.
Go and have a rest.
Okay. There you go.
Go and have a chill.
If you're going to make a complaint, If you're not,
Yeah, I'm done
if
with
you're
you
not-
now. Don't
Yeah.
put hands on me again. That's your warning.
Once you're done, if
yeah.
you don't leave, I'll remove you again.
Well, again, yeah. So this is. Are you a police officer? Yeah. Sorry.
I am, yeah.
Can I make
Hello,
a
mate.
complaint about this officer, please?
Right, just gentlemen, okay, I've asked him a number of times whether he
IRPC.
wanted to get served. He said no. Okay.
No, but I'm
He's
making a complaint,
I'm
sir.
talking to my colleague.
No, but
Okay?
you're over talking me as well.
He started filming. It was being filming out here. I've asked him to
children.
leave the premises. He's refused. So I've removed him. So if he wants to
Oh,
make a
of
complaint,
course.
make a
So this
complaint.
is all right, yeah. So you're, in your opinion, an officer to handle a member of the public for doing a lawful activity. Sorry?
Because he asked me to do it.
But he's not an inspector. He has no powers to ban me off premises.
He doesn't need to. He's not banned you. He's just removed you.
But that, excuse me? Can you identify yourself, please? This is an absolute disgrace. Can you identify yourself, please? But no, can I have a serious conversation? But you're walking off, you know. So guys, just about leaving auditors that have been here, and they haven't been.
Step aside.
Why?
Because that's from property, that's the street.
Yeah, but
Do you
this.
work here?
No, this is an open door though.
Yes, but still.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Are you a police officer or?
No, what?
Oh.
I respect the property of other people, so you should as well.
It's only because you come out of there. That's why I asked if you was a police station. Oh, okay. Just a member of the public.
Yes.
Coming out of a police station. I'm okay, thank you. This is the job, miss. You need to calm down, miss. It's an absolute disgrace, guys. This is clearly a police officer. She didn't identify, trying to give me instructions and get a job. Looking in cars.
Alright lads, so look, you're both detained for a stop and search on the section
Okay.
1 case, okay?
Okay, no
Alright,
problem.
You can have your phones out, okay? That's no issue. I'll be needs to what I'm going to say, okay? So you're detained for a search under section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, okay?
Yeah.
What we're going to be
What's the
looking for,
grounds?
I'm going through that, okay? Could be looking for articles being used to steal, okay? The reason for that is we've seen you at the top of that road there when we've driven past looking into cars, okay? And we want to know if that's what we're doing here today. Okay, I'm PC Davies, touched the Bromley Police Station, entitled to a copy of the search afterwards,
Yeah.
okay?
I'm going to film all of this if you're going to search me,
Okay.
obviously.
Yeah, you can film it, mate.
Yeah,
Did my colleague explain to you the ground?
yeah. The grounds, because we were looking in a car, you see.
Yeah, he was looking in cars down there, he saw you. Okay, you've got no reason to...
Film on me, I'll keep the film on you.
No reason to
You'll be
be
alright,
here.
man.
You're
Just keep
entitled to
your
a copy of the search, you can get that by
Keep the
email.
phone like that.
My name's PC Fishington. I'm touched Bromley Police Station, Safe Transport Team. Okay,
Turn your body worn on as well, yeah.
turn my body worn on. You've been recorded, audio and visual. Okay.
Hasn't even told me.
Got anything on you that's going to harm you?
Go on, do what you got to do.
Got
Obviously.
anything on you that's going to harm me or
No.
you? Okay.
Obviously, after this,
You've been-
I'd like a copy of the search.
You can have a
as well.
copy of the search, yeah. You searched under section 1, right? Going equipped to steal.
Going equipped to steal.
Yeah. Vehicle interference.
Never had that in my life, but you can do what you got to do.
You got a spare pair of gloves, mate?
And before you ask, I haven't got anything sharp.
So guys, me and Ryan just walking back from the police station and getting this on us now. Section 1 of pace.
Okay, section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act 1984. PC Davies.
This is ridiculous, Ryan, isn't it?
What's this?
That's the selfie stick.
Huh?
It's the selfie stick.
Didn't know what it was.
Well, it could have been anything, couldn't it?
Okay. And I've got my cards there.
No, it's fine. Just leave them in. Find it. I'm doing the search. Nothing sharp on you, no?
No.
Have you got anything in your pocket still?
I have got a charger, tobacco, a lighter.
Alright, so should we go around your waistband now, okay?
You can go and
So obviously you're trying to identify me from my cards, yeah?
Huh?
You're
Let's check
identi-
in and make sure they're...
So clearly you're doing that to identify me, yeah? Just walking down the street. We're getting this. I've never been called that in my life. What was it? The thief act or something?
yeah, I've been stopped for a lot of funny things.
But never that.
I've been stopped for a lot of things on a stop and search, but never for trying to break into something that I haven't done.
What's your first name?
Well, you see by the card, obviously.
No, I can't. Just says D.
Danny, yeah.
Danny, yeah?
Okay, no, I'm sat by the search, you're not claimed anymore.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like to give me your name and address so I can give you a copy of the search? No. Okay.
Like your copy of the search now?
Yes, please. Obviously, I didn't get a chance because you see my
I'll
cards,
have a
you
copy,
check my
but I
name,
don't,
but it's okay.
You want a copy of the search?
Yes, please, obviously.
fine.
On
Yeah.
my date of birth, on my address.
You don't
This
have to
is
give me
an
that.
absolute disgrace. I can't believe what's going on.
No worries.
So we look like thieves.
We saw you looking
What
for
does
a
a thief
car.
look like?
As I said, we
Well,
went on the ground.
Well, you think us?
Well, we're not even trying to be funny, but we've just lost our friend, and that's why we were looking to see.
That's,
which one
listen,
was-
you haven't got to explain. Clearly, we've done nothing wrong. They've done what they've got to do, and they've found nothing because there's nothing to find.
That's fine. But obviously, when we see someone acting like that, we've got a duty to investigate
We're
that.
walking down a public street,
No, look into people's cars. In a private road.
private road, yeah,
Yeah.
public footpath.
Oh, I've just found out where he is.
It's a public building.
Main entrance.
Yeah. It's a public building. It's crazy, man, but it's all good.
Yeah. And I will be.
He's
rolling
took
up.
my cards to identify me
Oh. Well, they're not.
with no choice of mine.
No.
But that's the abuse of powers. That's why the Metropolitan Police are in special measures, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let them abuse their powers.
Yeah. And then when they find, I think it's them that are looking like they've got.
Date of birth, Danny?
That's all right. So I don't want to give all that.
Don't have to give that, no?
You got my name. That's good enough. I feel victimised there.
Yeah.
I'm setting up a reference number for you so that if you need to get a copy.
I've done. I've got a CAD, mate. I've got a CAD.
I hope have you got the CAD number?
Oh no, yeah, there is one
Absolute
on.
disgrace.
Yeah. And I bet someone called it in for no reason.
Probably.
No, they didn't. We were sitting at the traffic lights in traffic and I saw you looking into the cars.
I believe that one.
Yeah.
I'll have to believe that one.
There's a lot of crime going on, officer. I think 2 people walking down the street. Like, come on.
Yeah, because whilst they've been doing this, there could be someone who's actually been stabbed. Who's.
Well, there's plenty of other people out there, so.
Listen, this is what I'm doing. We can move on with our life.
Yeah.
Officer groped me a little bit, but I'll let that one go. I might have to put a complaint in, but we'll go from there.
Perfect. There you go, sir. That's your copy there. So that's the reference for today. Okay, that's the CAD number. I'll put a stop and search record on the system. If you need a copy of that, you can go to the front office counter and get that there, okay?
Okay. See guys, this is what happens when you've been stopped and searched for no reason, unlawfully stopped and searched.
What's it for? Articles?
Articles for in theft. Yeah.
This is the weapon, guys, the selfie stick, apparently.
Yeah, it's a joke, isn't it? Abuse of more powers.
We got it on camera, it's good enough.
Yeah. If we want to, we can put in a claim.
You want to? You.
For falsely trying to say that we've been accused of robbing. There he is. Don't ask.
Section 1 of pace.
I'll tell you what.
We're thieves, apparently.
Yeah, apparently we're the biggest thieves around because we've been looking into cars, apparently. And they've done a stop and search on us under the section 1 of pace. And they've given us, they've again abused their powers.
It's alright, we filmed it. Officer took me bank cards, obviously going through it, identifying me through the bank cards. It's an absolute
And
disgrace.
apparently, right, the most dangerous thing he's got is a selfie stick, yeah?
This is the weapon.
And that's meant to be the weapon of breaking in.
No one said that.
Can we just get on with this, please, officer? We want to move on.
Oh, you wanted to search, so go right
Yeah, I
out.
know, but he's done his and I'm still waiting. Oh, yes,
Yeah, I done the
he's done it already.
one.
Yeah, I'm already done. I'm waiting for you to do his so then I can get a move on as well.
So to move on, we've just gone through a very traumatic experience.
Yeah.
Clearly done nothing wrong. You're abusing your powers.
Okay.
That's why you're in special measures, and that is what it is. Looking in traffic, apparently, to see us.
Yeah, of course. More like they've just had a phone call from someone to actually claim that.
Basically, we just filmed the police station. He's told you guys, and you put us under section 1 of pace, and that's exactly what it is.
Done what?
It doesn't matter anymore.
Okay.
I just want to move in with my life, mate.
Okay.
It's an absolute disgrace.
Yeah. Well, do you know what? I can't wait for this section to be over because I'm done with abuse of powers.
At least he told me. Look.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So that's it, yeah?
Thank you.
Well, stop abusing people's rights, yeah?
Yeah, and Foxtrot Oscar.
And I'll pick this back up, guys.
Filming. For what?
Just because we want to. Are you a police officer?
Yes.
Can you identify yourself, please?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
So you're just what, filming the building because...
Because we want to.
Right, okay, I'd rather you moved on.
Oh, okay. Well, we're not gonna, but...
Well, keep an eye on these guys then, please. There's CCTV everywhere.
Okay. You need to calm down a little bit. Jesus.
I am calm, perfectly calm.
Why are you so stressed? If I was that angry, I wouldn't do this job. Not too sure what's going on, actually.
You can see it's an agitated situation, yeah?
Public land?
I know it's public land, but it's an agitated situation and you're making things a little bit worse, okay? I'm just going to ask you, please, if you can move on.
Well, I'll move here, but I'm not moving on. That's what I've done. Look how far.
I appreciate that. It is public, and I get
Can
it.
you identify yourself, please? Because you're engaging now.
I'm 1238 Sierra Whiskey, okay? You keep my shoulder numbers.
From
I'm dealing
Kingston.
with an incident, okay?
Yeah. What's happened?
That's none of your business.
You've hit into
okay?
the back of someone.
Anything? Anyone wish to talk to us or ascertain what's going on? No?
Is there someone, does anyone want to speak on your behalf? Is there someone else? Is there someone else? Oh. Is there someone else? Is there another person? Does anyone want to talk on behalf of yourself? Should I read the top? Is that to do with what you are? Is this to do with police custody or?
Does it matter we
Is it
can help you
guesswork?
at all with, or... Sorry guys, squeeze pause. Yeah, sorry Sarge.
Is this guesswork? Are you going to give us a clue or? We've got nothing to do.
Do you need any help? Is there any...
Is there any help we can get you with or anything? Any reasons for security? Anything you wish to talk to us about?
It's obviously quite a unusual thing. Is there anything we can do to help or to get you not to stand there behind the police station and film?
Okay, yes. It doesn't qualify for covering the Terry now because it's not concerning serious crime.
Anything we can help you answer with? Have you got any questions for us at all?
Equipment damage to the car.
We're just here for your safety and for ours, just to kind of ascertain any particular reasons why you're here, why you're filming the back gates of a police station. Is there anything to do with what's on your t-shirt? Is there anything that we need to know about? Okay, well, if you've got any queries, obviously the front office, you know, is just round on the other side of the road. You go in if there's any reports you wish to make. Okay? Not to worry.
There's only 3, there's not a speaker or anything.
Fantastic work. Brilliant. Where's the nearest police station from here?
Why are you filming on us?
Because I'm in public land and I want to.
There's another guy here with as well.
What's the problem? We're not allowed to film?
I don't understand. There's a police station opposite.
Okay, what's wrong with your attitude?
What's that?
You're right.
Are you alright?
Hello, so why are you filming the police station?
Because I want to.
Okay, well, we have a thing called hostile reconnaissance, which obviously filming a police station is not really ideal, is it?
Hostile reconnaissance?
Yeah,
Or
because...
just filming?
Yeah, because obviously we're...
You waved at me a minute ago.
I know, but you tried to...
Just going to get a bit of space, obviously.
Okay, obviously we've come in, you're filming us as we're going into the backyard. We're
Which is obviously perfectly legal. But you turned your camera on, right?
Yeah, I have.
Part of your policy is, if you're engaging a member of the public, you've got to let them know at the first opportunity.
Listen, I'm not going to argue
Which
about
you didn't
it.
do, though.
Do you mind just getting off the property for us,
But I'm
please?
not on the
Thank you.
property.
Well, you are, because this is part of the police station, isn't
But,
it?
Just on the parking be right, sir, yeah?
but all I'm saying is, do you know when you turn the camera on, part of your policy is to let, obviously, a member of the public know.
It's just for your safety and mine, so...
Yeah, but you can let me know. You guys have a policy for a reason. No, but it doesn't matter because you have a policy.
Listen, we're not going to argue. We've got lots of work to do. I'm not going to stand...
You're the one that come out to me.
Because you're filming us going into the backyard and you've approached past the gate.
You waved when I was filming, so...
You're just saying hello, sir. That's all polite to do, isn't it?
Can you identify yourself, please?
My name's PC Jessica, okay?
What's your badge? Yeah, brilliant. And you as well, sir?
PC Alexander, 2039 Whiskey Alpha.
If you don't mind just staying there, do as you will.
You can record us, sir, it's no problem.
Yeah, I know, it's all
Have a good
legal.
day.
One question I was going to ask, is this front...
Front office open if you want to talk to someone.
There's no one at the desk.
Okay, I'll go find them for you.
Thank you. Can I ask you a quick question, officer? If you're not busy, I know you're just pulling in.
I'm quite busy, but go on.
We've just been filming, and which is a lawful activity, and an officer basically just approached us very aggressively, and he wouldn't identify himself, and now like you're driving off the same. This is where the abuse of powers is. Well, it's a public place, so.
Paid by the government.
Public place.
In that.
As police officers, I thought you'd know the law. But obviously you don't, and you're going to ignore.
How many is there? So I think we got one front
4.
counter.
So they're trying to say, guys, in a public place, which has got an open door, we should go away.
I wonder if they're going to remove us out by force if we refuse.
It's a public place.
Yeah.
Trying to have a private conversation in a public place, it doesn't work.
Yeah. Just looking at the camera.
I've never heard of that though. In a public place, they want to make it private.
I wonder if they've got our body cameras on. Because they don't tell us.
He's lights flashing, yeah.
Yeah. Supposed to tell us.
What happened is that woman's complained and they've come out and...
Yeah. I think they're...
Hey, can I just ask you one question? Obviously, I know it's a little bit heavy here, but there was 2 police officers from here and his crony mate. This lady basically got kidnapped, assaulted sexually. Any views on it?
My views?
Obviously, it's from here.
Sorry, who did he say?
2
officers Well, arrested 2 weeks ago for kidnapping and rape from this
From here.
northwest.
Um,
Any comments?
Have you heard of it?
No, but I'm hearing about it.
Do you live in Dululand? Are the Met Police under a lot of pressure?
Dululand?
Yeah, because the Met Police have had 300 charges this year.
Right, okay.
And obviously, are you a custody? What are you? What's your job role?
I'm a police officer.
Are you a police officer, right?
Are you neighbourhood?
No.
Do you go on the streets? No?
I'm
Or
Holden. Holden.
Alright, do you believe there's a problem with the Met Police?
Do I believe there's a problem? What sort of problem?
The 300 charges this year.
Rape, kidnapping,
I mean,
misogyny.
not ideal, but okay.
Ideal. This is people's lives, and our audience, if this goes online, want to hear. And when you're like smirking and like it's nothing, this is real life crimes. Now, if a member of the public did these crimes, there'd be long prison sentences. Just because you wear a uniform, don't mean you should get away with it. And this, but you're smirking. But it's not funny though, because you're justifying it in a sense, because you're not going, oh, it's disgraceful, we've never heard it. You're pretending like it doesn't happen. Like, does it happen? Does it happen then? Crimes. Met Police. Don't be arrogant. Met Police officers. From Met Police officers.
From Met Police officers?
Yes. Are you corrupt?
Am I corrupt?
Yes.
Why do you want to know?
Of course I want to know. So you're admitting you are then?
No.
Have you got a criminal record?
You didn't say you won that.
You're smiling. I feel very uncomfortable. This is a serious story we're covering here. The public want to know.
False.
It's not. This is a fact. And
I know.
It may not be you.
Are you guys off work today?
It doesn't matter. What's it got to do with you?
Irrelevant.
This is a public service. We want to be here all day, we will. Are you going to answer the questions or not? So you're a disgrace to you. Can you identify yourself, please? Sorry? You're failing to identify. That's your policy? Code. Yeah, go on. What's in your policy? Sorry? Of course I can. Don't be disrespectful, because there'll be a complaint against you now.
Hang on. If we went to court,
This is a
would you
disgrace.
say that to a judge?
Is there a reason why you got balaclava on?
Oh, I haven't. Why didn't you ask me? Well,
What's the reason?
Okay, go on.
Because I had COVID a couple of weeks ago.
Identify yourself, please, arrogant.
Okay, my name is PC King.
Yeah.
Short number 295.
PC King. So why are you so arrogant? Do you not like people filming?
I'm not going to answer no questions.
You are a disgrace to the force. There's a complaint going about you. And do you know the IOPC, who runs by your mates, yeah? It's going to come forward for you this time. And that little stuff you got on the laptop, why are you hiding it? Like, what's the problem? You're so arrogant. This is the problem. You need to learn, and this stuff we're doing now is happening more and more, yeah? And you're so arrogant, it's a disgrace to the force, mate. You need to grow up. Fully grown Audi? You're a disgrace, man. Yeah, you are, mate, yeah. So, well, we're not having a nice day, because we got to keep coming here about you guys. Because you're horrible people, man.
Yeah.
Can you let us out, mate, yeah?
Not very long.
I don't want to be trapped in by another Met Police officer.
Oh, you're right, officer. I don't want to scare you. Do you come from Charing Cross?
Yeah, why are you talking to me? Sorry?
Sorry?
Why do you need to talk to me?
That is a big question I got. As you're a public servant, we can go on and on and on. There was someone that died in the custody in that. Any comments on that?
I don't know.
But this is the issue. There's 1,000 of you that are bad, but there's 33,000 of you that are good, right? So I'm trying to show the balance.
So yeah, we'll be having a good day, but I got nothing to say on the issue.
But this is the issue, officer.
Someone in the press department, you can call 101.
Officer,
I'm not going to be talking to you.
I'm only here praising you. I'm talking about the death, but I'm talking about I was going to say the good that you do as well. And going on your phone, ignoring members of the public is not the way forward.
I appreciate it. But like, if you've got another question for me, I'm more than happy to answer it.
Okay, what about the good you guys do then? What about all the lives you've saved?
So I need to pay for my shift, which I didn't do, that's why I'm looking at my phone.
Ignorance won't go far.
I hope you have a good day, okay?
No, but I won't have a good day. Because now I'm going to go audit Charing Cross and talk about the man that died in there through your guys' hands and your guys' negligence.
You're more than welcome to, okay?
Of course, it's public, but I'm just saying to you,
Have a good day.
Oh, yeah. I'll try to, yeah. All right.
You're auditing. You're auditing. Yeah, no. Just mine, because the vehicle's come out of here, alright? Okay.
There's one, guys.
Sergeant Corbett from Wimbledon Police Station. You alright? Not talking today? I'm just coming out. Obviously, you're not doing anything illegal. I'm not going to stop you. Just to check you're alright. If there's anything you need, there's no emergency.
Sergeant, I'm just happy to be left alone.
Okay.
Just want to do my bit of filming and be left alone.
All I'll say is just watch out, obviously.
I don't want to hear it.
All I'm saying is just watch out if a car's coming out on blue lights.
I don't want to hear it, Sergeant.
Alright, thank you.
Can I identify yourself, please, Sergeant?
I did at the beginning. Sergeant Corbett, Wimbledon Police Station, 380 Southwest. Alright, thank you.
Just want to be left alone. Police joking about a fag here in uniform.
How you doing, mate? You alright? You having a good day?
You?
It's been alright, we've been a bit.
Hopefully ain't got another Wayne Cousins in there, eh? Yeah, I didn't really talk, guys, but I'm getting a little bit angry now. It's that sergeant coming up trying to intimidate me. Police officer, and we can actually talk about this. You're right. Are you a police officer? I can't hear you. Oh, you ain't a constable, are you? You're a police officer, aren't you? Mate, you're so corrupt. Why don't you stop hurting people in the custody here, mate? Fucking sausages. Guys, I would recommend all the auditors to unite. Come to Charon's Cross. Yardiski done a fantastic job. Look at this. It's worse than Islington, guys. This is how corrupt. They just ignore the problem. Look, I can still film you, mate, under there. I can go down. Look, fucking pathetic. Right, auditors, we need to unite here. Come to this police station. Look at the fucking behaviour, guys. And I don't swear. That was a police officer saying he can't hear me. That's a police officer and police staff ignoring the problem, guys. They're not even giving me a second of their time to tell the story. You know, in here, someone died in here, mate, from their negligence. There's 6 deaths this year in custody. See the rooms in use? It's constantly in use. So is this one. But someone just come out of it. Oh my God, I'm fuming, guys. I'm getting out of it. I ain't getting trapped in here. Fuck that. I ain't getting trapped in this shit.
As the final moments unfold, the noise fades and the message becomes clear. One camera, one citizen, one reminder that public accountability is not negotiable. The officers walk away, but the lesson remains. The law protects both sides, only if both sides respect it. What we witnessed today wasn't a fight. It was a lesson in rights, a mirror held up to authority, and a challenge to every viewer. Know your freedoms, stand your ground, stay respectful. Because when cameras roll, truth becomes stronger than opinion. And that truth, once shared, can't be silenced. Voiceover presented by Gypsy Auditor, exposing the truth, one audit at a time.